Absolutely stupid. Forget about it. £19.31 for the 1931 Northern train service from Sheffield to Adwick. Sheffield to Adwick. Sounds weird when I say it like that. That's it then. That's it anyway. I'll see you next time. Well, they've lowered us quite early this time, because it's still at Mexborough. When that TRANSPENNIE passed, it was quite quick. Well, yeah, it was only a minute closure, and we were here. This time it's longer. Tell you what, it doesn't half make your arm ache. Well, they've lowered us for 2R56. Well, 2R56 is still at Mexborough. So they could have lowered us that touch later. But, you know. Barriers have been down at this point for 2 minutes. Still nothing. This is just unnecessary. Right, it's just left Mexborough now. Only just like. I don't know why CCTV crossings lower us so early. I'd love to know why. Health and safety probably. But it doesn't add up in my opinion. Stupid. If I were a signaller, I know what I'd do. I'd lower them when trains literally quite close. Well, I'm not talking about AHB level, but here we are. 3 minutes for a 3 minutes for a closure's just not on. Final train at night. And is a 150. Generally I won't go to Adwick. And might not see me because it died, but I'll try. 152.03 for Adwick. Right, get up. Thank you. Here we go. And the last one. £19.28 for the 1925 TRANSPENNIE Express service from Liverpool Lime Street to Cleethopes. And the 1931 Northern train service from Sheffield to Adwick. TRANSPENNIE express service from Liverpool Lime Street to Cleethopes. Whatever happens when I'm staying on them both. If the levers up, we're going, I don't care. Right, it's just left Conisbourgh, so... Mexborough, I mean. Here we are. That was a quick one. That was quick. And 185130 for Cleethopes. Right, what are we doing? Oh, the levin is up, for God's sake. Right, thanks everybody. I'll see you next time.